Beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody has been doing well. In today's video, I wanted to talk about my favorite travel handbags, and I'm going to feature 3 different bags with 3 different functions. They're all from Topologie. For those who may not know, Topologie is a brand that was founded by Carlos Granin, who is a rock climbing enthusiast. So everything in his line has accents of rock climbing embedded into each style of the bags. So I love that because the rock climbing gear is very durable, they're very stable and very high quality, so that they can last a long time and can endure very high strength and reinforcement. So I was excited to collab with Topologie for this video, to bring it to you. Whenever I'm traveling, I always think about 2 things. The first thing is the ease of use of the bags that I choose, and also the weight or the heaviness of the material that I choose for the bags. So all of the bags in this video meet those 2 criteria, so that is the reason why I'm going to show them to you today. Without further ado, let's move on to the first bag. So the first bag we're going to talk about is this Ransic backpack, and I think when traveling it's best to use a backpack because it can hold so many things, and it's also better because you can put it on your back and it kind of gives you a little bit of more support when you wear it on your back versus if you're carrying just a duffel or something on the side, so that your weight can be shifted evenly, so that you won't feel tired and your back won't be strained throughout the whole travel trip. So that's the reason why I think it's essential to have a backpack for traveling. And this one right here is really nice because it's just very minimal, very seamless, easy to style with a lot of outfits or a lot of aesthetics, just because it's so minimal and clean. It's just a rectangular shape, and then it has this big flap in the front right here, which has a little toggle right here that closes the backpack together. And this flap right here is water resistant, so let me put this down. It's kind of heavy. This is water resistant. It is made of high quality PU, so when you're traveling, if you're stuck in a rainstorm or something like that, you're not afraid that your stuff is gonna get wet because it's protected with this water resistant PU high quality material right there. And then on the side and the bottom of the backpack, it is made out of high quality canvas, like so, which I believe is also splash resistant, maybe almost water resistant as well, but of course you can't soak the material into a lot of water. So this is what it looks like on the side, and this is what it looks like in the back. And it has this really nice padded straps on both sides, like so, which is really good because it helps to shift the weight and support your back a little bit better, because it doesn't dig into your back when you wear the straps with heavy things in the backpack. And then in the back, the thing that I like about it also is that it has this little pocket right here. If you want to put your phone, passport in there when you travel, you can easily unzip on the side and take it out once the backpack is on your back. So that is a good option and a very nice detail, of course, to the backpack. So let's have a peek inside of this bag to see what it has to offer. So to open this backpack, you have to release this toggle right here from the notch. It's hard for me to do it with one hand, so I already done it off camera just so that it's easier for us to see from the inside. What you have to do is you'll have to open the flap like so, and once you open the flap, you'll see there's 2 magnetic buttons right here at the bottom, which aligns with the 2 magnetic button snap on the top right here. And also it also has 2 magnets right here on the top flap, and then it aligns with the 2 magnets that's lined right here, which helps you whenever you close the bag to align the back straight. And so when you open it up, it has these compartments right here, a lot of space on the inside like so. Like I said earlier, the first thing you see is my laptop right here. So this is my laptop. It is a 13-inch MacBook Air, and I love this MacBook Air. I've been using it for so long, and it just is the best thing ever. It's super lightweight and it's easy to carry around, and it just works and lasts for a long time. And then the rest of the compartments in here is this. It has a main compartment that has my black notebook right here, and then my other notebook like so. And then I also have, so that's all I have in the middle compartment right there. But on, let me see if I can do this. Maybe that's easier. Okay, so then this compartment right here, which is for the laptop, is padded as well. So that's really nice, so that I can provide support for the laptop. And then below that, I have another compartment, which is the middle compartment, a mid-size, and I have my Louis Vuitton agenda inside, and this is the size. And then after those compartments, I have little knickknacks in the other smaller compartments, which is my phone. And then I have my keys on this other little pockets right here. And then they also have a pocket for your water bottle right here, like so. Isn't that so neat? So that little compartment right there is for your water right here. Yeah, so I thought this is a really neat backpack. So the reason why I love this backpack is because it's so convenient and it has so many space in there for many different things, and you can organize really well, especially if you're still in school. I think this would be a great item to carry around. It has the brand Topologie on the side right here, and then it has really nice lining, a nice material lining, seems very durable and quality. It has, let me see, at the bottom over here. Okay, so over here it has this little notch right here for you to snatch your keys on if you need to. So the next bag I wanted to talk about is this weekend duffel, and I love this bag because I think it's the perfect size for a short week travel bag or weekender. If you're going away for maybe 3 days during the weekends, or if you're going for away for 7 days even, it is a great item to use. It is lightweight because it's made out of this durable water resistant nylon material, and I love it. I think it's such a good size. It is very durable material, seems very quality, high quality material, and it has a lot of compartments, also zipper in the front right here, a small pocket right there, and then one on the back as well. Right there like so. You wanted to put your passports or your phones in there for quick grab, that's great. And then it has this little nylon handle right here, which is a short handle where you can just grab the bag if you want to, or it has a strap where you can just wear it on your shoulders, and it has this great padding in the middle right here, which provides nice support to your shoulders. And this strap is removable. It has really nice hardware as well. It has this durable hardware right here that has a metal clasp right here in the back like so, where you can just unclip it and then it just releases from the toggle like so. And then this bag or weekender can be used in so many different ways. You can wear it as a top handle where you just hold the bag or the duffel like so, and then you can use the one strap to use it as a carry on the shoulders, or you can do it as a crossbody, or it has another strap that's included in here. So you have two different big straps right here, like so, where you can actually wear this as a backpack. Alright, so those are the specs about this weekend duffel, and I love the fact that I can fit all 7 outfits in here with 1 pair of shoes and all my other essentials in here so that I can go away with ease for 7 days, and that is really, really nice. And to look, it's so small when you hold it like this, but it can fit so many things and it's so lightweight. And that is one of the best thing about travel bags, is that you have to find one that is lightweight, so it's easier when you're putting a lot of things in there. It doesn't add bulk to the weight that you already going to add in. So yeah, this is a great bag to travel with. So when I'm traveling, I always need a small crossbody handbag for during the days when I'm moving around, just running errands and traveling and taking pictures. This is the perfect bag for that. It looks small, but it can pack so much in here. You'd be surprised what can fit in here, and I'm going to show you in just a minute what I am bringing with me when I travel in this little bag right here. This is called the Bum Bag by Topologies, and this is what it looks like. It's in a navy color, and it's in a water resistant or water repellent material, nylon material, like so. And then it has this little toggle right here where you can open when you slide it out, like so. So it's so hard to do it when I'm doing it one hand. But yes, you just slide it out and then it opens into this little shape right here, which is so cute. It has on the inside, this is all the things that I'm packing when I travel. So the first thing you see is a water bottle. Isn't it so convenient? It looks small, but it can fit a whole water bottle right here to keep you hydrated, so you don't have to be afraid of going sweating all your water away. So the next item in there is going to be a sunglass case, because you need sunglasses when you're outside in the sun to battle with those sun rays. And then the next item is my keys. Usually if I'm traveling, I'm not going to bring my keys, but just for space purposes, I put it in there. And then I also have my point-and-shoot camera inside. And isn't it so convenient when you can put a camera in the bag also, so that you can shoot whatever footage that you need to, vlog or whatever that you feel like for the day. And then the other thing I have in here is my phone, of course. Can't go without it because I need to call people. And the last item in here would be my lip balm, because I have to go with lip balm everywhere. My lips are super dry always. So that is everything in this little bum bag right here. I thought that's such a neat bag because it can carry so much, and the size is such a deceiving size. It can do so much. I'm very amazed with it. This is what it looks like in the back. It has the brand right there, and then it has this little hook on the side, like so, where I put my little hand sanitizer, which I got from Bath and Body Works. And it has a case on it which can be hung onto any bags, like so. Isn't that so convenient? My gosh, I love it. And then this little strap right here is also very comfortable because it's not skinny. It's pretty wide and it's adjustable based on size and length. So if you want it longer, you can just loop it through like so, and then release the length, and then it'll be longer, whatever length that you desire. And then it's also removable, so you can actually take off the straps like so, and then it slides through these little two slide in the back right here, and you can just remove it. And then if you want to, you can just use this bag alone by itself inside a travel bag for whatever essential that you want to put in here. So I thought this is such a neat little cute bag, a day bag to run around. Lightweight material, water resistant, perfect for traveling and running around, and it can carry, like I said, so many things. So yes, with that being said, this is the last item I wanted to show you in this video. I'm going to link everything in the description bar like I always do. If you're interested in it, just check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have any questions, please link it down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please do so we can see each other in the next video. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can see my my next video when it's uploaded. Thank you. See you later.